So guys, for the first step, you want to press on the Windows key on your keyboard. Press on this key right here. Once you press on that key, this will come up. You want to search for Device Manager and then click on Enter. And now this will come up. I'm going to show you two different things that you can try. So first, you want to click on Tab on your keyboard, which will now highlight this. Now you want to go down using the arrow keys until we get to Mice and Other Pointing Devices, and then click on the right arrow key, which will then expand it. Once we're here, you want to find your mouse. Just go down with the arrow key and then click on Enter on your mouse. And now once we're here, you want to click on the Tab key until you have General selected. General on the top left. Click on Tab. As you can see, in the top left, General was just selected. Once you select General, you want to click on the right arrow key, which will then take you to the Driver tab. And then click on Tab again until you have Update Driver selected, and then click on Enter. And then click on Enter again. Make sure that your mouse drivers are up to date. Once you do all of that, see if that fixes the problem. If that's still not working, then we're going to resolve this. So click on Tab until we get to Close, and then click on Enter. Now once we're back here, we're going to go to Uninstall Device. So click on the Tab button until you get to Uninstall Device, and then click on Enter. You want to highlight Uninstall and then click on Enter again. And now once you've uninstalled your mouse, you want to click on Control, Alt and Delete at the same time on your keyboard. Control, Alt, Delete. And now this will come up. Again, use the Tab key until we get to the power button on the bottom right. As you can see in the bottom right, power is now selected. Click on Enter. And then use the down arrow key until you hover over Restart, and then click on Enter again, which will then restart your computer. The computer is now restarting. Once you come back into Windows, your mouse driver will automatically be reinstalled again, and then hopefully this will fix your problem.